the honourable member from Pakistan.
Thank you. Glad to be part of this Asia-Europe Parliamentary Partnership. Great learnings as together we can fight climate change to make this world a better place to live for generations to come. Pakistan has given huge sacrifices for the world's peace, for world's environment, and of course, environment for peace. As we said that great leaders don't focus on future elections, they focus on future generations to come. And here is an example from Pakistan. Under the leadership of Imran Khan, Pakistan became the first country to meet the International Bond Challenge, where we restored over 350,000 hectares of forest, planted over 1 billion trees, which helped Pakistan provide private tree nurseries over 13,000, and also boosted local incomes, created over 500,000 green jobs, and of course endorsed by IUCN, where they gave the world challenge of 150 million hectares by 2020 and 350 million by 2030. Pakistan became the first country to meet the challenge that it took of restoring 350,000 hectares. Also audited by World Wildlife Fund, it was an independent audit where they declared this project as environmental, economic, and social success. Also acknowledged by World Economic Forum. And the next step, the next plan by the government of Pakistan is to plant over 10 billion trees across Pakistan. And on the inaugural day of that campaign, on the launch day, we planted 1.5 million trees. So we do hope that within the next 5 years, we'll be able to plant 10 billion trees across Pakistan, where our focus is on clean energy, clean water, green jobs, as we do know the fact that there is a huge challenge where the requirement is of having 25% forest land. We stand at only 2.5% of the total forest land in Pakistan. So our focus is on this, turning around the economy. Our focus is on clean energy, clean water, green jobs, and efficient use of resources. Together we can, and together we must combat climate change. And from this forum, we take back great learnings as we share ideas, and we do see some great deal of seriousness among all of us in terms of addressing this huge challenge. So wish you all the best. Thank you very much for having us here and listening to us as I share an example that how the political will, the commitment ensured achieving that huge milestone, another challenge of planting 10 billion trees in Pakistan. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. That was this statement. Thank you for your statement, and we take a lot of encouragement from what you've said.